Hello guys, in this video we have Samsung J600 microphone replacement. The customer bring the device and told me there is no sound of the microphone. So let's get started. To open this device we need to heat the screen with 2°C for every 30 seconds. I am always using this with the heating gun, and then you can use the suction cup to detach the screen from the housing. Just to mention, this device has been opened before by me. The customer bring the device for the second repair. The first repair was with the charging port. I think the phone wasn't charging, and today there is no microphone. Anyway, opening this device is very exhausting and take long time, because this phone was opened by me before, so it will be somehow easier to be opened for the second time. Be careful with the flex cable of the screen. It's at the bottom left side of the device. This is very important not to push the plastic piece too much to that point, otherwise you can cut the flex cable. Keep heating whenever you think you need some heat. We don't need to damage the screen. We are going to replace the microphone, so it's important not to replace microphone with the screen for the customer. Remove the plastic shield, and now you can unplug the screen flex cable. Okay, the screen is out now. Take out all the screws from the housing. This device is double SIM card, so we have to remove both SIM card tray. Now we are going to detach the frame from the housing. We have double base inside. The adhesive will make this difficult, but we can remove it easy. Anyway, keep pushing from the edges until we remove it. Unplug the battery. Then we have two black screws, one at the bottom and one at the top. You have to remove them. We have audio jack flex cable, and we have the front camera flex cable. Then you can remove the board. In this model, the microphone is not with the motherboard, so we have the microphone with the audio jack. I just put the motherboard to check if we have the microphone in there, but we didn't find it there. So the microphone, you can just see it with the audio jack connected. So You can either replace the audio jack and then you can assemble and that's it, or you can continue the video with me by replacing just the microphone. The customer worked with the olive wood, so we have some wood inside, so I'm going to clean the motherboard for him and then I will assume repairing the microphone for him. We don't know what caused the microphone to be damaged. It could be the wood, some dirt, or some liquid leaked to it. Anyway, I'm going to heat it now so I can remove the audio jack without cutting the flex cable connected the audio to the microphone. This is very sensitive, so remove it with sensitive and with caution. We need to protect the flex cable connector and we have to protect the plastic of the audio jack. Unfortunately, I didn't get noticed to that, so the audio jack plastic has melted a few. So you should put a adhesive that prevent the heat to go under that and melt whatever we are protecting. You can see that adhesive that I'm going to remove. You should let it on there because you can put the microphone in between. This is like a frame to put the microphone. I didn't notice that until I removed it. So you can keep it because I see it dirty. I have to remove it. That's why I remove it. You can keep it and then later you can remove it, or as I told you, you can just replace the whole audio jack with the microphone. Do the cleaning and then we are going to resolder the pads and then we brought the new microphone and we will get ready to assemble and replace it on there. This is anti flux. Also, I used a low melt soldering to put the microphone faster and not to damage the microphone while I'm putting it. The microphone can be very sensitive to heat. It could be damaged during replacing. So that's why I recommend using a degree with 400 degree or less than that. With the low melt soldering, I put a 200 low melt soldering. That's why I put it on there faster. Now I have power on the device. Now I'm going to test the microphone.
الو مشي شكله. ايوه صار يعبي. تست 1 تست 1 تست 1. طيب وين الجرس؟ الجرس وينه؟ محطوط.
The microphone has been working again. The problem has been solved and the repair has been done. All you have now to do is just to assemble the phone back as it was, and that's it. If you have any questions, you can just write down in the comments below. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe to support the channel. We will do something else in the next video. Peace.